Hey there everyone, I'm Hunter the Top Hat Guy. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be seeing if I can draw Senpai from Friday Night Funkin in 60 seconds or less. Starting now. Alright, so we got this head, and we got a body like this. That's how a human body looks. And we gotta give him some pants like that. And then we put his shoes on. You can't go outside without, before you put your shoes on, or Mama's gonna beat you to death. And you put this arm right here, and you got a hand, because you can't hold the microphone if it doesn't have a hand. So you got to put that on. And you put some waffles there, and then we want to leave some room for his hair. Look at all this hair. That's how you draw the hair. That's how you draw hair right there. Put some eyes on him. It doesn't matter where they go. Just put the eyes on him. Got a little bit of a nose there. Yeah, you put a mouth on him. We got the whole pogger face going on. I got some teeth. Look at those shiny teeth. We've got like this little stub right here with a hand because he's drawing a backpack, and we got to draw the backpack. See, that's how you draw a backpack. And then you got this right there, and then you go draw this tie, and then the tie is finished, and then you got like a belt. All right, all that's finished. Okay, all that's finished. We gotta combine it all, and now we gotta start coloring it. So this is his hair. That's what normal human hair looks like. So we color in his skin, and then that's what a mouth looks like, and then let's get those pretty blue eyes, and then and then the mic looks like this, that's what that's supposed to look like, and then we take this, and then you gotta color the handle of the mic, and then you gotta color his tie, and then his shirt, and then his pants look like that. That's what pants look like, and then we get those right there. Those, and then we gotta draw it, and then that, and then we do that. Alright, so that's how you draw Senpai from Friday Night Funkin' in 60 seconds or less. I think we had our goal. Thank you all so much for watching, and be sure to let me know what you want me to draw next. Whether it's Friday Night Funkin' characters, Gravity Falls, BFB, anything. I'll draw anything in 60 seconds or less. Alright, thank you all for watching.